Hello, everyone. If you're looking for the best budget robot vacuum, you've landed in the perfect spot. We've done the research to bring you the best budget robot vacuum options for this year, considering price, performance, and usage scenarios. Stay tuned to find the perfect budget robot vacuum that matches your needs. Don't forget to check out the description box below for product links featuring the best deals available. Our list is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's dive right in and get started. The first on the list is the Moa S10 robot. The Moa S10 robot vacuum cleaner is a high-performance smart device designed for modern homes. It delivers an impressive 7,000 Pascal Vormax suction, making it ideal for pet owners and anyone dealing with daily dust, hair, or debris. The all-rubber liftable roller brush prevents tangling and makes cleanup more effective. Its 260-minute runtime and 175 square meters coverage per charge ensure deep, uninterrupted cleaning. With the Vibro Turbo mopping system, which scrubs at 3,500 strokes per minute, even stubborn grime is easily removed. Additionally, the 7mm mop lifting keeps carpets safe and dry during operation, making it a true multi-surface cleaner. Smart features add more value. The S10 uses Pathfinder navigation and 3D Adapt obstacle avoidance for precise movement through rooms. Users can enjoy full customization via the Moa app. Create up to 4 maps, set no mop zones, and define virtual walls. The vacuum intelligently increases suction on carpets and automatically recharges itself when the battery runs low. Compatibility with Alexa, Siri, and Google Home allows easy voice control, making daily floor care nearly hands-free. However, some users may face issues with Wi-Fi connectivity. The initial setup might be frustrating if the device doesn't connect properly to the network, limiting app functionality. Despite this drawback, the Moa S10 remains a powerful and intelligent cleaning solution, especially for pet-friendly homes. Overall, it's a great investment for those seeking convenience, power, and versatility in one smart package. At number 2, we have the iRobot Roomba 105. The Roomba 105 robot vacuum is a premium cleaning companion built for hands-free convenience and powerful performance. With the ability to self-empty into a dock that holds up to 75 days worth of debris, it minimizes user effort while maintaining clean floors. The 3-stage cleaning system combines 70 times more power-lifting suction, a flexible multi-surface brush, and an edge-sweeping brush that excels in corner and baseboard cleaning. Whether it's fine dust or larger debris, this vacuum handles it all with ease, leaving floors spotless and allergen-free. Navigation is handled with precision thanks to Clearview LiDAR technology. It maps your home intelligently and cleans in neat straight rows, even in the dark. The robot glides smoothly around furniture and avoids obstacles for a seamless cleaning experience. Users can fully customize cleaning schedules and zones through the easy-to-use iRobot Home app. Want to skip a room or focus on high-traffic areas? You can do it all with a tap. Spot cleaning mode adds further flexibility, targeting stubborn messes with concentrated effort. This model supports voice commands through Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant, providing effortless control. Stylish, smart, and overall incredibly efficient, the Roomba 105 vacuum is a top-tier solution for busy homes. Highly recommended for anyone seeking powerful, intelligent, and low-maintenance floor cleaning. At number 3, we have the Eufy Robot Vacuum C10. The Eufy Robot Vacuum C10 is a high-performance cleaning solution designed for modern homes. With its self-emptying station, the C10 can handle up to 60 days of debris in a 3-liter dust bag, drastically reducing manual intervention. Its ultra-slim 2.85-inch design lets it navigate under furniture with ease, cleaning hard-to-reach areas that often get overlooked. The 4,000 Pascal suction power ensures deep cleaning on multiple surfaces like hard floors, tiles, and short wool carpets. Additionally, the corner rover arm enhances edge and corner cleaning efficiency. Navigation is made smarter with iPath laser technology, which creates efficient paths and supports multi-level mapping, storing up to 3 detailed maps. This ensures precision and coverage across all areas. Users can also customize cleaning through the app with personalized schedules, no-go zones, and voice control via smart assistants. The Pro Detangle comb on the roller brush reduces hair tangling, which is ideal for pet owners. With a 120-minute runtime, quiet operation at 51 decibels, and Boost Q suction adjustment, the C10 offers a seamless and user-friendly cleaning experience. However, a noted downside is that the brush guard seal may wear down quickly with regular use. This could reduce the vacuum's sealing effectiveness on hard floors over time. Still, for those seeking a smart, low-maintenance vacuum with excellent suction and advanced features, the Eufy C10 remains a solid and highly recommended choice. At number 4, we have the Dream D10 Plus Gen 2. The Dream D10 Plus Gen 2 is a powerful, smart, and efficient solution for anyone seeking a hands-free cleaning experience. With its automatic dust collection system and a spacious 4-liter dust bag, it offers up to 90 days of maintenance-free use. The 6,000 Pascal Vormax suction is remarkably strong, effortlessly lifting pet hair, dirt, and fine dust from both carpets and hard floors. The floating rubber brush further enhances cleaning by minimizing hair tangles, making it ideal for pet owners. Its 2-in-1 vacuum and mop system, featuring a 150-milliliter water tank and 3 adjustable moisture settings, allows it to handle wet and dry messes with ease. Smart features elevate the D10 Plus Gen 2 to the next level. It uses LiDAR-based Smart Pathfinder navigation for accurate mapping and obstacle avoidance, ensuring seamless movement around furniture and stair edges. It supports multi-floor mapping, virtual no-mop zones, and customized room-by-room cleaning through the Dream Home app. The vacuum easily transitions over 20 millimeters thresholds, making it suitable for varied floor types in multi-level homes. In conclusion, the Dream D10 Plus Gen 2 is a reliable and intelligent cleaning assistant packed with powerful features. It's an excellent choice for busy households looking for automated, customized, and thorough floor care. Coming up next, we have the Tapo RV30 Max Plus. The Tapo RV30 Max Plus is a high-performance robot vacuum and mop combo designed for powerful, automated cleaning with smart navigation and advanced features. This model stands out with its powerful 5,300 Pascal suction and 2-in-1 vacuum and mop functionality. This robot is ideal for hard floors and low-pile carpets, offering over 97% dust pickup thanks to deep vac technology. It features a self-emptying dock with a 3-liter sealed dust bag, providing up to 60 days of hands-free cleaning. With smart LiDAR plus IMU dual navigation, it accurately maps your home in 360 degrees, allowing for precise and efficient cleaning. Its mesh grid pattern ensures no spot is left untouched. What sets this model apart is its intelligent automation. It detects carpets to either boost suction or avoid them during mopping. The Tapo app allows users to customize cleaning zones, create virtual walls, and schedule routines easily. It supports voice control via Alexa and Google Assistant, making it user-friendly and highly adaptable. With its anti-stuck sensor and ability to climb thresholds up to 0.87 inches, the robot navigates smoothly around various obstacles. The 3D mapping feature on tablets provides a real-time schematic of your home, adding another layer of convenience. However, despite its many strengths, the RV30 Max Plus may struggle with more stubborn debris, particularly in deep carpet fibers or grout lines. While this minor drawback may require occasional manual cleanup, the robot's overall performance remains impressive. In conclusion, for users seeking an intelligent, efficient, and mostly autonomous cleaning experience, the Tapo RV30 Max Plus is a highly recommended choice. The last one on our list is the Roborock Q5 Max Plus. The Roborock Q5 Max Plus robot vacuum delivers a next-level cleaning experience with powerful features packed into a sleek, efficient design. Equipped with 5,500 Pascal hyperforce suction, this vacuum captures dirt and dust from hardwood, tile, and carpeted surfaces with ease. Its duo roller brush technology enhances debris pickup while minimizing hair tangles, ideal for homes with pets. With a massive 770 milliliters dustbin and up to 240 minutes of runtime, it efficiently covers up to 3,767 square feet in a single clean. Plus, the self-emptying dock holds debris for up to 7 weeks, making cleaning virtually hands-free. Navigation is another strong suit of the Q5 Max Plus. The PreciSense LiDAR system delivers precise, real-time 3D mapping, allowing it to move smartly around your home and avoid obstacles with ease. It also supports multi-level mapping and offers intuitive no-go zone suggestions to prevent falls or stuck situations. The vacuum even climbs over seams and low thresholds, ensuring comprehensive coverage. Its scratch-safe wheels and brushes are gentle on floors while still being tough on dirt. For added convenience, it connects effortlessly with widely used smart home ecosystems and voice control features. Users can also control the robot via the Roborock app, scheduling custom cleans, choosing fast routes, and selecting specific rooms. With advanced technology, high suction power, and true automation, the Roborock Q5 Max Plus is overall highly recommended for anyone seeking an advanced and reliable home cleaning solution. You got it. So that's it for the best budget robot vacuum on the market for this year. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest videos.